Most people think rich people love showing their money. Big houses, expensive cars, designer clothes. But the truth is, many truly wealthy people do the opposite. They try very hard not to look rich at all. Not because they are cheap, not because they are scared, but because they understand something most people don't. Showing money is risky. Hiding it is powerful. You might have seen someone at an airport wearing simple clothes, old shoes, maybe flying economy. He looks average, nothing special. But what you don't see is the bank account, the businesses, the investments, the freedom. Real wealth doesn't need to announce itself. And the people who understand money the best usually learn this lesson early. When you show wealth, people change. Suddenly everyone is watching you. Some admire you. Many envy you. Some start expecting things from you. Others start planning how to take something from you. Prices go up when you negotiate. Strangers become friendly for the wrong reasons. Problems you never had before slowly appear. Wealth doesn't just give you options, it also attracts attention, and attention is expensive. That's why many rich people choose a low-key life. Simple clothes, normal cars, quiet routines. This is often called stealth wealth, but really it's just self-protection. When you blend in, you stay free. You can walk into a shop without being judged. You can travel without stress. You can say no without explaining yourself. Privacy becomes more valuable than luxury. There's also a big difference between looking rich and being rich. Many people who look wealthy are actually under pressure. Expensive clothes bought on credit, cars leased to impress co-workers, lifestyle built to impress people who don't really matter. This is what quietly destroys finances. From the outside, everything looks successful. On the inside, it's stress, debt, and fear of losing the image. Real wealth works differently. It doesn't shout. It doesn't chase approval. It focuses on control. Control over time. Control over choices. Control over peace of mind. That's why wealthy people care less about logos and more about quality. Less about status and more about comfort. They don't buy things to be seen. They buy things to serve their life. There's another hidden reason why rich people avoid showing off. Spending has momentum. Once you upgrade one thing, everything else starts feeling outdated. You buy a nicer phone, then your old accessories feel cheap. Wealthy people understand this trap, so they avoid it early. They don't tie their identity to what they own. So next time you see someone who looks simple, don't assume they're struggling. Because sometimes, looking poor is the smartest way to stay rich.